Okay, so here's the ladder truck. Pay close attention to what's happening with this ladder truck. Okay, see what he's doing? Those are outriggers. Lock those outriggers into place. It's essential. Okay. Looks like. That's got to happen with the real one, or with the VR version. Got to have the outriggers. Got to have those plates. Got to have everything accurate. If it doesn't look accurate, it won't work. All right, so he's going to go up to the lower station for control. Okay? See that box he's lifting? Watch this. Lift it up, and there's your controls. That's the lower station controls. Raising the ladder. See the speed? That's not fast. It is slow. It's hydraulic. It's not like a video game. It's real. It's thousands of pounds. It is not fast. See how slow that is? People think it's like a movie where it's really fast, and it's not. It's control at the lower station, and there's a control at the upper station. The upper station is the bucket.